Hello students, this is your first chapter, The Foolish Boy. Everyone must listen to one's elders carefully and do the same as is asked. That means you have to listen your elders carefully and do the same as they told. If one does not listen or understand their words, one gets lost and is called a foolish. If you are not listening or understanding their words, you will get lost and then you will called a foolish. In this lesson, you will read the story of such a boy. Here is a story. Once upon a time, there lived a boy in England. Once upon a time, a boy who lived in England. His name was Robbie. What was his name? His name was Robbie. His father had died in his childhood. His father had died when he was a child. Only his mother was with him. He was living with his mother. His granny lived in a small cottage not far away. His grandmother, who lived in a small cottage near them. One day her mother said to Robbie, I am going to market. What she said? That I am going to market. Go and spend the day with your granny. You go to your granny and spend your day there. Robbie obeyed his mother, and soon he went along the dusty path through the forest. Robbie obeyed his mother and went to the forest through a dusty path. He played in his granny's garden all the day. All the day he played in his grandmother's garden. In the afternoon, when it was afternoon, his grandmother said, Robbie, take this needle. Robbie, please take this needle to your mother carefully. She gave a needle to Robbie and told him that take this needle to your mother carefully. On the way home, a hay cart passed by Robbie. Peter put the needle in the hay and walked behind the cart. When he was going to home, he passed by a hay cart. Then he put the needle in hay and walked behind the cart. At last he reached home. When he reached home, but he could not find the needle in hay. When he reached home, he tried to find the needle in hay, but he could not find because the needle was very small. You are a foolish boy, Robbie. Mother said to him. His mother said him that he was a foolish boy. You should have put the needle in your sleeve, not in the hay. Her mother told that you have to put the needle in your sleeve, not in hay. The next week, Robbie went to his granny's house. The next week again he went to his grandmother's house. Again he played there the whole day. He played there in the garden, and later his granny said, and after that his granny said to him, Robbie, take this knife to your mother. See what she has given to him this time. First she has given needle, and second time what she has given? She has given a knife. Robbie started off for home. He remembered his mother's words. He started to go home. He remembered that his mother told that you have to keep the needle in sleeve. He put the knife carefully inside the sleeve. She told to keep the needle in the sleeve, not knife. But what he had done? He put the knife inside his sleeve. When Robbie reached home, the knife was not there. Again, when Robbie reached his home, the knife was not in his sleeves. It had fallen out from his sleeve. Why? Because knife has fallen from his sleeve. Oh, foolish boy, said his mother. His mother said that you are such a foolish boy. You should have put it in your pocket. What she told this time? She told that you should put the knife in your pocket. That's all for today. The next passage I will explain in next video. So read this again and underline the hard words.